I'm Teacher David. Under parts of speech, as you had been taught in your previous, so we learn what proper nouns are and give examples of these proper nouns and how they are used within a sentence. The second example that we learn is the abstract nouns. We'll know what abstract nouns are and some of the examples of the abstract nouns. The third one that we'll also elaborate on are the collective nouns. So we learn what collective nouns are and some of the examples that we have. And then we have common nouns. Common nouns, again, we'll learn more about it. And then we finally end by talking about the countable and uncountable nouns. So let me first of all list all these types of nouns. So the first one, we've mentioned proper nouns. The second one, the common nouns. The third one is the abstract nouns. The fourth are the collective nouns. And then lastly, the fifth one, we have countable and uncountable nouns. So our major focus for today's lesson will be the proper nouns. So we'll know what proper nouns are and give examples of the proper nouns. So we have proper nouns. Proper nouns. So pupils, what's a proper noun? A proper noun is simply a noun or a name of specific nouns. So a proper noun is a name given to the specific nouns. So I'll write here proper nouns are names of So proper nouns are names of specific nouns. For example, so the first example under the proper nouns are names of people. Names of people. The second one, we have days of the week. The third one, so the third one we have months of the year. And then the fourth one are the names of the physical features. Now, a point to note about the proper nouns. Proper nouns are written by starting with a capital letter. Since they are giving us the names of specific nouns, that means it's only one particular noun that possesses that name. So if you are giving a name of a person, that person's name should start with a capital letter. So a point to note here. So we'll give examples in a sentence. For example, if I say James and Bramwell are going to church. So you'll first of all start with the first name, which is James. You write capital letter J. Bramwell is someone's name. You'll start with the capital letter B. So for example, in a sentence, so example in a sentence form, and sentence 1, we have James and Bramwell are going to church. So James and Bramwell are going to church. So here, the name James is a proper noun. That's why we've started with a capital letter. And then the name Bramwell is also a proper noun. It must also start with a capital letter. So the second example, under the days or months of the week, I was born in January. So here the proper noun is January, which is the month of the year. So J is written in capital. So these are the examples of some of the proper nouns that we have. So next we'll be able to give examples of each category. For example, we'll give the different names of people. We'll give out the days of the week that we have. We have months of the year. We'll give out some of the examples, and then names of physical features.